Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm thrilled to share a truly magical experience, a step-by-step tutorial on how to create a stunning AI animated video, entirely free. And what makes this journey even more special? We're animating our very own original story, Journey Beyond the Horizon. And yes, this is the exact animation we are creating today.
In the quaint village of Greenwood, where each sunrise brought whispered promises of adventure, there lived a kind-hearted father, Jacob, and his ever-curious son, Leo. One fateful afternoon, while exploring the hidden corners of their attic, the duo uncovered a mysterious ancient chest. Inside, a faded map.
In this video, I'll walk you through my creative process, from using ChatGPT to craft a captivating narrative and generate precise, consistent prompts for our characters to bringing them to life. If with Google Lab Image FX, Pixverse, the 11 Lab, and CapCut. Each step is infused with passion and creativity. I can't wait to share this adventure with you. Step 1. Crafting the story and generating counter prompts with ChatGPT. Every great animation begins with a story that speaks to our hearts. I turned to ChatGPT to help craft Journey Beyond the Horizon, a tale filled with wonder, resilience, and love. Here's a glimpse into our story. Title: Journey Beyond the Horizon, the spark of adventure. But there's more. The magic of ChatGPT didn't stop at storytelling. I also asked it to generate detailed, consistent character prompts for Jacob, Leo, Flicker, and even the wise turtle Marlowe. We wanted our characters to radiate authenticity and stay true to the emotions of the tale. And guess what? ChatGPT delivered exactly what we needed, ensuring that every image we create later will capture the heart and soul of our story. Step 1. Design consistent characters with Google Lab Image FX. Now, to give life to our characters, consistency is key. Using the heartfelt, detailed prompts from ChatGPT, I turned to Google Lab Image FX to design vibrant characters that embody our narrative. Whether it's the kind eyes of Jacob, the innocent wonder in Leo's gaze, Flicker's mischievous sparkle, or the serene wisdom of Marlowe, every image is a brushstroke of our shared adventure. With consistent prompts, Google Lab Image FX ensures that our characters look and feel the same in every theme, infusing each frame with the love and passion that this story deserves. Step 3. Bringing scenes to life with Pixverse. Now that our characters are ready, it's time to infuse them with motion and life in Pixverse. I imported the images and applied delicate animation precepts, each blink, smile, and sway, crafted to evoke the emotion of every moment. Watch as our characters transform from static images into dynamic, heartfelt scenes that truly move you. Pixverse lets you animate each scene with care, turning every moment, from the gentle whispers of Greenwood to the breathtaking unveiling of the Horizon Valley, into an emotional experience that resonates deeply with your audience. Step 4. Adding narration with 11 Lab. This moving deserves a voice that carries its emotion. With 11 Lab, I transformed our script into a heartfelt narration. By pasting our dialogue into the tool and selecting voices, I was able to create natural, evocative voiceovers that bring every line to life. Of Greenwood, nestled between lush forests and rolling hills, lived Jacob, a gentle, hard-working father. Using 11 Lab, our animated story gains that professional cinematic feel, ensuring that every word is as impactful as the emotions behind them. Step 5. Piecing it all together in CapCut. Final step is where all the pieces of our creative puzzle come together. Using CapCut, I merged the animated scenes, voiceovers, and an emotive soundtrack into one seamless masterpiece. With CapCut's intuitive editing tools, I trimmed clips, added graceful transitions, and perfectly synchronized audio with visuals, ensuring that every beat of our story pulses with emotion. And there you have it, a fully animated, beautifully edited story.
Quaint village of Greenwood, where each sunrise brought whispered promises of adventure, there lived a kind-hearted father, Jacob, and his ever-curious son, Leo. One fateful afternoon, while exploring the hidden corners of their attic, the duo uncovered a mysterious ancient chest. Inside, a faded map.
Crafted with love and free AI tools that bring your wildest creative dreams to life. If you felt inspired by Journey Beyond the Horizon and this tutorial touched your heart, please give this video a thumbs up and hit that notification bell so you never miss another creative adventure. I'd love to hear in the comments what story you plan to animate next or how this process made you feel.